Good evening. Tropical cyclone Tuni dissipated overnight and is now a tropical depression once more as it starts to move south into the vast expanses of the Southern Ocean. Fresh and gusty southeast trade winds are starting to ease now across the region, including over Fiji. Little rain of any description in the 24 hours to 9 a.m. this morning, apart from the odd short sharp shower in the blustery trade wind flow. Generally clear skies on the satellite image today around Fiji, apart from a few low clouds over the windward coast and nearby hills of the main islands. The odd brief shower lingered overnight and early this morning, however little activity was reported today. The wind chart shows the very well-defined circulation of ex-tropical cyclone Tuni is still clearly evident on the wind chart. However, the cloud associated with the low is now being pushed away from the low center by strengthening upper-level winds, hence its weakening overnight back to a depression. Fresh east to southeast trade winds continue over Fiji thanks to a well-established high-pressure ridge to the south over New Zealand. Warm and humid morning with mostly sunny skies for the west. Once again, a few clouds will develop during the afternoon, but no rain expected. Moderate easterly winds and fresh afternoon sea breezes. Much the same about the north tomorrow, with no rain of any significance anticipated. Moderate to fresh east to southeast winds easing with local afternoon sea breezes. The central and eastern divisions can also expect a mix of sun and cloud tomorrow, with perhaps an early shower or two around sunrise about the windward coast. However, most of the day will stay dry, moderate to fresh southeast winds. Southeasterly trade winds will ease later today and tomorrow. However, large southeast swells will linger, so mariners should continue to use caution on coastal waters as rough seas and swells gradually easing. Fresh southeast trade winds over Fiji continue to keep temperatures mild and humidity comfortably low despite the fact it is the first day of summer. For the most part, it's the sort of weather we'd love to have in December, but too much of a good thing can be a problem, as we all know right now that the folks in the west would love a hot, humid day if it promised a good soaking thunderstorm in the evening to fill the tanks and water the garden. Sadly, that dream is as distant as the stars right now, with no rain on the horizon. You can check our webpage at NaDraki.com and our Facebook page to find out how you can access the many services we offer, including weather for mobile phones. From the MyTV team and NaDraki, we wish you a pleasant evening.